दे दे प्यार दे में उसके उनके साथ ट्रेन किया कुछ?
हाँ
really?
we were on outdoor ना इतना ज्यादा on London and Manali, but he used to tell me ये तो पागल है, ये 4 बजे उठ के भाग रही होती है कहीं पे।
मैंने ये सुना।
have to work out before shoot whatever time that is।
Don't be ridiculous।
Yeah, once I
करती हूँ। Rakul looking fierce, killing it always in the gym।
I always wanted to be an actor। मैं मुझे एक्टर बनना था। I didn't even know कि मुझे उसके लिए बॉम्बे आना पड़ेगा।
Okay।
I never saw films। खुद नहीं था, एक था कि ट्राई करेंगे।
कर लो, कोई तो हुआ होगा that made an impression on you। Yeah।
So I never had।
Are you serious?
Yeah। I never had a celebrity crush, and Ranveer Singh is my celebrity crush, and I've said this.
Ranveer, I mean, I love Ranveer Singh's crush.
And I've told Ranveer, it's like I never had a celebrity crush, but you are, I've had, and he said, मुझे पता है
करने का मौका मिलेगा, लेकिन I'm sure you'll be amazing कि कॉलेज में तुमने किसी लड़के को पीटा था।
हाँ, we had gone for a trip to Nainital। We were about और वो मॉल रोड है नैनीताल पे जहाँ पर स्वेटर्स वगैरह होते हैं। We were trying रोड के ऊपर ही। I was clicking pictures, and he was following us for some time। तो किसी ने बोल दिया यार वो तुम्हारे फोटोज ले रहा है। तो देन आई एम लाइक अच्छा मैं बताती हूँ, एंड हेल्ड हिज कॉलर लाइक दैट। आई वाज लाइक फोन दे, एंड आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग व्हिच बिकॉज़ दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू विद फोन। आई गिव इट टू माय फ्रेंड्स, आई सेड देखो फोटोज हैं क्या, डिलीट करो। एंड ही हैड for the last 1 hour I guess, so I was like follow karega, and I slapped him. He pushed me, I ran and I caught his shirt, and I picked up a stone and I hit him, and then I was like last to maine hi mara, जीत तो मैं गई।
I just want to tell Yasha,
full action।
That's insane।
Yes, we
Chalo,
should।
let's go।
To work out।
You're doing
I'm
leg
going to be doing
extension।
leg extension।
In Hyderabad, in
In
South
Hyderabad
right now।
right now
Yeah।
I think a good body। Aditya has a very good body
He
right
does।
now। Sid had a very good।
करती हूँ, तुम मिस नहीं करती हो कभी।
I think are very good। नहीं होता, it's on my leg day that I'm doing the leg workout।
Yeah।
It's on my back day that I do the deadlifts। Every day legs।
And that butt। ठीक है, उनको लगता है कि तुम पता नहीं
कुछ खाती हूँ मैं, सब कुछ। But the thing is my palate is clean। मैं I like to eat clean food। मुझे आप यहाँ से एक flight book, I have gone to booked a flight because I want to try a particular restaurant।
So you've like taken
a flight, and we had come to Bombay in fact
to like check out
to
food।
eat here on a Sunday brunch from Hyderabad।
Are you serious?
6 of us, yeah। At night we made the plan, next day morning we booked a flight then to
But
eat।
जैसे कि
You know my favorite breakfast is jowar roti and eggs, or dal roti sabzi is my favorite।
That's
You know
tough।
salads are the
they're so bad for you।
yeah,
Yes,
unless it's the salad that you make yourself, which is what I love।
Places where you can do
cafes where
that,
you can do that, but your salad has to be wholesome।
जो तुम हमेशा
Oh God, you got it here।
अपने
macros in, I'm a little obsessive, but just कि मैं ना when I lost weight for Dede, because it was lost where
I don't believe you। Tell me
you
something।
have to call up my friends, you have to see I was telling you on my birthday, and food। Yes, yes।
अच्छा खाना।
अच्छा खाना, 3 F's of my life: food, films and fitness। Films, food and fitness। Yes, so with the left।
हम पढ़ेंगे and it applies to both of us। ठीक है? I've not worked out to impress someone। I've just worked। Bollywood has hotter men than it's such an individual thing।
Yeah, it's an individual। It's in what's hot to you might not। What's hot to me is intellect।
Yeah, same problem।
That's why we are single। It doesn't exist।
This is endangered।
This is endangered।
Okay, okay, go on, you pick one।
I was doing it now also in between you setting up the shot, and I think that's the reason that you have mirrors, right?
Yeah।
When you flex your muscles and when your abs show, and
ये हमारे बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग।
बहुत अच्छी फील सब लेते हैं। मतलब कल रात का खाना ठीक था। अब जिम लो। I mean obviously ऐसा नहीं है कि झल्ले कपड़े पहन के चले जाएंगे।
Obviously because
but I am so glad that my gyms के आगे।
हाँ।
So there I get packed, and if you see I look terrible। I do those inversions and my hair and my face is red, and I can't, you know।
Unreal।
She's goals. She's unreal।
Every pose in a gym looks
Is outside the car, and you know that muscle, every muscle is visible through the pants, and I'm like, wow, that's goals। Yeah, not hate it is।
but पीने ये तुम्हें affect करेगा।
अच्छा।
अजय देव मरी तुम।
Well, नहीं, at that age, fit body।
Yeah।
So what are we comparing apples and oranges? We can't be like that then, and then we'll compare।
हाँ।
Say that, then I'll answer।
And then we'll do this again।
Then we'll do this again।
And
fallen in love ही नहीं है यहाँ पे।
with an older man।
No, with a man। It's closer.
Yeah.
और कुछ नहीं बोल रही, but now I'm saying ना I'm single for a while that I'm single, but see I just feel that I've been so busy working that